Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily clean your top loading washing machine. As you can tell, mine is pretty filthy. It could use a good clean. It's important to keep your machine clean because it can have a lot of residue, buildup, mildew, mold, grime, all types of stuff that will make your machine smell bad. So what I like to do is use 1 part water, vinegar, and dish soap and use that as my main cleaner first. I like to start from the top and kind of work my way down. Then work your way to the inside and give everything a good spray and scrub. You can also pop this little piece out by sticking your hand underneath and pushing it up. That way you can get all that is underneath it. Now, my washing machine is pretty old. I don't even know how old. This is a rental that we're in, and it's been here for quite some time. So what you see left is actually not dirt or grime. It's just the metal that is scraped off, and I can't really do anything about that. And then I'm also going in with some Dawn Power Wash, and I like to use a toothbrush to really scrub in the corners. And normally on most washers, the inside piece you should be able to screw off and pull it out because there could be buildup hiding in there. However, mine does not come off, so definitely check that on yours to make sure if it can come off or not, and definitely give the inside of that a good clean as well. You can also push the drum side to side so you're able to get under there a lot easier as well. Then you can give the piece you took off a good scrub just to get all that residue off. Now to clean the inside of your washing machine, I'm just using the Fresh washing machine cleaner tablets. These are going to really help get all the dirt, grime, and odors that are inside your machine. If you do not want to use these tablets, you could also use 2 cups of vinegar. So I'm just putting the tablet and letting it fill all the way up on hot water and letting it soak for a little while. After it runs through the cycles, you'll have a nice and clean washing machine. That's all that I have for you guys in the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.